Good morning, students. So today we will study our chapter Life in Northern Mountains. In the previous video, we have studied about two of the Union territories which lies in this region in the Northern Mountains, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And today we will study about the state Himachal Pradesh that lies in the Northern Mountains. Himachal Pradesh, it is the state that lies in the Northern Mountains. It lies to the south of the two Union territories Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. That is a beautiful hill station. It is famous for tourist places and valleys. Kangra is one of the main valley. So Shimla or Himachal Pradesh, it is famous for its beautiful tourist places, as we know that the region is covered with full of greenery, valleys, rivers, lakes. So that is a tourist attraction. Kangra is one of the main valley in this region. The main rivers that flow in this region are Ravi, Vyas and Satluj. Now these are the famous hill stations of this region. Kulu, Manali, Shimla, Dalhousie and Dharamshala are tourist places. So these are the famous tourist places which attract the tourists from all around the world. Every year thousands of tourists visited to these places. Chail, a hill station in the state, has the world's highest cricket. Chail is a hill station in Himachal Pradesh that has the world's highest cricket ground and considered a hiker's paradise. Chail, that is a beautiful hill station and it has a world's highest cricket ground. Chail has a beautiful palace that is known as Chail Palace, and this palace was built by Maharaja of Patiala during the British Raj, and this palace, Chail Palace, was famous for its architectural work. Let's discuss the culture of Himachal Pradesh. As you know that every state has its own culture, tradition, their rituals, customs that makes a particular country a tourist attraction. From Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we can see a lot of variation in all these things, and that makes our country a beautiful country. So the culture of Himachal Pradesh, the people of Himachal Pradesh wear bright clothes. So the people of Himachal Pradesh, they wear bright clothes. Men wear loose coats that are known as cholas, and they wear churidars and embroidered caps. Women wear salwar, pajamas, kurtas and a scarf on their head. Rice, maize, vegetables are the staple food. So this is the staple diet of the people of Himachal Pradesh: rice, maize and vegetables. People love folk music and dance. Every state has its folk music and dance, and every state loves its own folk music and dance. So Himachal Pradesh has also its folk music and dance that is very popular in the state. The Shahra of Kulu Valley is the major festival of state. The Shahra festival that is celebrated in the Kulu Manali with great joy, that is famous in the state. Now these are the important or major or commonly languages that are spoken in this region. Hindi, Punjabi, Pahari, Dogri, Mandeli, Kangri and Kinori are some of the common languages that are spoken in the region Himachal Pradesh. Let's discuss about the occupation of the state Himachal Pradesh. People are mainly involved in agriculture. As you know that the mountain region don't have industries, so the people are engaged in agriculture, in animals rearing, domestication of animals, and handmade things like weaving or making toys or handicrafts and other things. So people of Himachal Pradesh are mainly engaged in agriculture, involved in agriculture, and these are the main crops. Wheat, maize, rice, barley are major crops that are grown in Himachal Pradesh. Plum, peaches, apricots, apples, and pomegranate are some fruits that are grown here. Large orchards are grown here in the fertile valleys of Himachal Pradesh. People involved in toy making. So these are the occupations in which people are engaged. Toy making, wood carving, that they carving the wood and making different things, and shawl weaving, different kinds of shawls using different kinds of woolen that are famous all over the country. After Himachal Pradesh, there is the another state, Uttarakhand, that lies in the northern mountain region. This state comprises mountain regions of Garhwal and Kumaon. So these are the two mountain regions, Garhwal and Kumaon, that are in this state, Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand, and the 90% of the state is covered with mountains. Uttarakhand, it is a famous hill station as well as a pilgrim center. Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet are the hill stations in Uttarakhand, and these are the pilgrim centers. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath are pilgrim centers, and every year thousands of pilgrims visited to these places. Hemkund Sahib is a famous pilgrim center of Sikhs that is lie in Uttarakhand. So Hemkund Sahib, it is a famous pilgrim center for the Sikhs, and thousands of Sikhs visited to this place. So these are the important places or important hill stations or important pilgrim centers which lies in the state Uttarakhand. Yes, beta, let's continue the chapter through book. We have studied about Uttarakhand, the another state in the northern mountain after Himachal Pradesh. Now the next state is Sikkim. Sikkim is the second smallest and the least populated state in India. Sikkim is the second smallest. The first smallest state, that is Goa. As you know that in the terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. And Sikkim is the second smallest state and the least populated state in India. It has the least population, very less population in India. It is located in the eastern region of the Himalayas. Sikkim is located in the eastern region of the Himalayas. It has hilly and mountains terrain. Its capital is Gangtok. So Sikkim is a hilly area, and the slopes of the Himalayas are also cleared to grow the crops, different crops. Agriculture is here also done on the slopes of the mountains, and the capital is Gangtok. The world's third highest peak, Kanchenjunga, lies on the border of Sikkim. So the world's third highest peak, that is Kanchenjunga, it lies in this region, Sikkim, on the border of the Sikkim. Some of the crops grown here are wheat, barley, oranges, ginger and cardamom. Sikkim is famous for its orchid plantation. Sikkim is also famous for the orchid plantations. Weaving is the main cottage industry of Sikkim. What is cottage industry? As you know that we have also discussed this before, that the industries are divided in three categories: large scale industries, small scale industries and cottage industries. And cottage industry is also known as the home based industry, because in that industry there is the group of around 100 people that make different products at their home and sell in the market. Women wear long skirts called boku with heavy bands. The people of Sikkim love music and dancing. So people of Sikkim are fond of music and dancing. They play music on long bamboo horns. Nepali, Lapcha and Bhutia are the three major communities of Sikkim. So these are the three communities of Sikkim. To the south of Sikkim is the famous hill station Darjeeling. It is situated in the northern part of West Bengal. So after the Sikkim, to the south of the Sikkim, there is a famous hill station Darjeeling that is situated in the northern part of the West Bengal. And it is famous for tea gardens which produce high quality tea that is in great demand in whole world. The next state in the mountain region, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. River Brahmaputra enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. So river Brahmaputra, it enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. The state has thick forest, streams and waterfalls. The state Arunachal Pradesh is covered with thick forest, streams and waterfalls. The main occupation of the people of the state is agriculture. So, the people of the state of Arunachal Pradesh are engaged in agriculture. And these are the major crops: rice, wheat, maize and mustard are the main crops grown here. People practice jhum shifting cultivation. It is a shifting cultivation that is known as jhum. Shifting cultivation means beta that a particular patch of land is cleared for growing crops, but after some time that is become barren and the next land is produced for the crop. For example, in the forest areas, people cut forest to grow a particular crop, but after some time they don't grow the next crop on that same land. They cleared the another patch of land for that cultivation, and this type of cultivation is known as jhum cultivation or shifting cultivation. That the cultivation is shifted from one place to another place. The another states in the northern mountains are Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. So these states we will continue in our next video. About these states we will study in our next class. Yes beta, now we will do the book exercise of the chapter. As I have already told you that my book is different from your book, but the exercises are the same. So we will do only the choose the correct answer and true and false. So the first is, the people of Kashmir stay warm with the help of a kangri. Kangri is the right option. What is kangri? It is a small pot containing burning charcoal that people keep themselves to stay warm. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Mizoram is famous for which dance? Bamboo dance. Sikkim is famous for its dash plantation. So options are spice, orchid, rubber, rose. So that is orchid. Sikkim is famous for its orchid plantation. The capital of Assam is, that is Dispur. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Now see true and false. The main occupation of the people of Arunachal Pradesh is farming. Yes, it is true. The main occupation is the farming. And which type of farming? That is shifting farming or shifting cultivation. That is known as jhum cultivation. Lapcha is a type of a flower found in Sikkim. It is false. Lapcha is a community found in Sikkim. Patir is an important dish of Himachal Pradesh. Yes, it is true. Firni is an important animal of Jammu and Kashmir. It is false because firni is a sweet dish prepared in Jammu and Kashmir. Satluj is an important river of Himachal Pradesh. It is true. Satluj is the river that flows in Himachal Pradesh. So this is the book exercise that you have to fill in your book. Read the chapter and then fill the book exercise. And read the chapter how much we have studied. Thank you.